stuff.
A lot of shipwrecks in the Great Lakes. People don't realize. It's one of my favorite little trivias is what state has the most lighthouses?
Which is?
Michigan. People say California, people say Maine.
That would have been.
Maine has the best looking ones,
Sure.
of course. But
Lots to check out
Michigan
there.
has a
And
lot.
well, not really.
How
I
do
don't
you-
know. What is this? Like the last nice day maybe this month to get out on the lake?
No. Well, depends where you
Yes.
are. So the coast is going to have 2 cloudy days with showers. Inland's actually going to get away with 1 more day tomorrow. So it's a split state. We're splitting it this way, though. Usually we do this. We're splitting it. It's a thin little slice here
Keeping you on your
along
toes.
the coast. Yeah, I know. I actually have to do something for once. It's been like 3 weeks since I've had to forecast weather in a serious manner. 84 in Wisconsin today, 84 in Freiburg. Average high is 70. So yeah, these are some big numbers. Another warm day, almost a little bit hot. Clouds starting to move in from the southwest. You can see that cloud deck down into southern Maine into New Hampshire as well. That will just keep expanding. It's riding out ahead of this subtropical low, and we've talked about how much of this moisture is going to be able to get into Maine. So basically, how much of this batch of rain is going to be able to swing its way around from Thursday and into Friday, and the models have it really, really close on how much rain we could get here. So the rest of today into tonight is quiet. Temperatures into the 50s to around 60 degrees. Here's your split state forecast tomorrow. Coastline cloudy, with a chance of showers and maybe some heavier stuff over southern Maine. And then inland is actually a nice day, upper 70s to around 80 degrees. Look how close, though, the more significant rain is to us. The models are insistent that it is just offshore, but I mean, in some cases we're talking 5 to 10 miles offshore, so it is very, very close. We have a shower chance in through tomorrow afternoon, and then again on Friday as this low doubles back and swings back into the coastline on Friday. Best chance will be again over southern coastal Maine into the mid-coast. Once again, away from that coastline, it'll actually be a decent day. So I don't think there's much suspense at all inland and across northern Maine, but along the coast, mid-coast south to about Kittery, it's really, really close. You see that wobble happening in the European model too. Does the same exact thing, wobbles out and then gets pushed away in time for the weekend. So here's a good way to look at it. This is the European model's rain projection, and look how just offshore over the ocean there's quite a bit. So the bottom line is we're not expecting a lot of rain here, but it's very, very close. So we'll have to keep an eye on where those bands set up if they stay offshore, or the model's wrong by 5 or 10 miles, which sometimes happens. So as it stands, we're not looking for a ton of rain. We could use some rain, especially in New York County. The area most likely to see rain here is the area that has a slight drought right now. So I think it would work out if we got it. We just want to be prepared, right? So we still have just showers in the forecast. Hopefully we can keep it there. Inland forecast, you don't even see the showers because it's not going to happen. Along the coast, there they are, scattered showers Thursday and Friday. The weekend looks okay. I do think there's a decent amount of cloud cover around, though. Saturday and Sunday, temperatures in the mid-60s. Totally different vibe when compared to today and yesterday. It'll be much more, kind of more appropriate, you know, technically for this time of the year.
Seasonably appropriate, but
Yes.
a hard right turn, huh?
Yeah, for sure. And who knows, like you said, we joke about that. When you drop those 80s, you don't know if you're going to see them again in the spring or in October, but we'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Keith.